make a quick video about that pesky ESP light, the electronic power steering light on the 8th gen Honda Civic SIs. I actually had that light on this weekend, and I think I figured out a way to get that resolved. I'm not too sure if it would work for everyone, but to my findings, I feel like there was a little bit of corrosion on the contacts for the fuse itself, up in the engine bay in the fuse box. So I actually made a video on the last Canyon run, and I included that. I'm actually going to add that on right now, and I hope this works out for most of you guys. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Alrighty, my boy Lou just went home. He took the same route we came through. I'm gonna come down Pine Flat. I really love this view. Such a beautiful view it is out here. So yeah, and just started having this issue last night, and resetted the car, and it went away, and then it happened again right now. My EPS light is on, my electronic power steering light. So right now I have no power steering whatsoever. I am on manual mode, and this bitch is heavy. So I gotta figure out that issue out now. Yay me. She is showing her age already for sure. And a quick little update. Hopefully I fixed it. I don't know. I did open up the connections, and they looked a little corroded. So I took everything off, and I cleaned everything up with some sandpaper. I disconnected the connection that is in here, right down here. You can see the pickup right here. I disconnected that one, and went to the other side, and I just made sure all these connectors are nice and tight. Seems to be working. Power steering is working right now. Hopefully that's the issue. Hopefully it's just a little bit of corrosion that got in between the contacts. But as of now, it is working. Hopefully it stays working. Hopefully that's the end of that freaking issue. Because driving this car with no power steering sucks. Sweet. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Alright, to just recap, I removed these connections here. I clean underneath the connections. This is the connections that come from the alternator to this little brick, and from these little bricks, these contacts here, it's connected to this directly. So you want to clean these contacts as well. Pull out this fuse. There's little hooks hooking onto the side here. You disconnect this here. There's a little prong in the middle. You hit everything with sandpaper. You hit the bottom. You hit these with sandpaper. You hit the bottom with sandpaper. What I did also was disconnect the pigtail connector that is down in here. That pigtail connector there. Disconnected that. I went to the other side, and I just made sure that all my connections down in here, right there, are nice and pushed in, and no more issue. Sweet. Hopefully this works out for you guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.